So it's possible that integers can be categories as well, not just strings. You can think of a rating of a movie, hotel, or restaurant that is in a known range. So you're limited to discrete integers, like 1 through 5. These would be ordered categories, of course. Zip codes, those are numbers for a particular city. Those are unordered. Hurricane strength, categories 1 through 5 as well. So those are just some examples. We don't have any in our data set, but I'm going to show you one in a different data set. Here's the housing data set. I'm going to read in 2 columns over here. So this MS subclass column over here in this housing data set actually corresponds, it's just a code for something else. So 20 is a 1-story, 30 is a 1-story, 1945 and older, and so forth. So just to show you that numbers can be categories and you can convert them. So they just happen the same way. MS subclass as type category. And we're just going to treat this as a nominal categorical variable, so unordered, even though you could say there is definitely some ordering here, but it's maybe not strict. So we'll just leave it as unordered and show that you can indeed have a categorical variable. There are 15 unique values over here, and they are integers, so which is just fine. All right, so you can convert, so integer columns can be categorical as well, and you can convert them in pandas.